Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a person from a video in CapCut PC. So to do that, I'm just going to leave it on this area. But actually no, you can just do this. But you're just going to basically screenshot the video first. And then you're going to use that screenshot to remove the object. So go to AI remove. I can't though, but I've already done that using Canva, but you're just going to apply that there. Then you're going to go to mask and you're going to use the horizontal one, and you're just going to do that, and you're just going to feather it out, and that's it. Of course it works better with another person, so you can see that she's not in the video anymore. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.